welcome back to my channel. This is Pragar Gupta and you're watching Random Reviews. Today we're going to talk about this antique piece. It is a kerosene lamp and it was used in India for at the time of maybe 1970s and 60s. It is a railway lamp. It was used by railwaymen. They used to carry this heavy thing in the train, and it was used at both ends of the train. They were quite efficient that time because we could see the signals at a very far distance. So I've completely restored it, and I've painted it because it was very rusty, and I've removed the components that were like buds and the kerosene storage parts. So now there is a LED panel over here. I think you can see that, and I've put a switch on it. It works on a battery and you could charge it also. It is a good piece. You could place it in your living room or somewhere, and it gives you quite a nice look to your room. You might get one for like $100, so it's okay, fine. So let me show you how it works. So I have to turn the switch on. Now the light is on. There are films also on it. So I know there is a green film over here, but I wasn't able to find one, so I just put the blue one. And there's one more. Obviously that's the red one because it's a signal lamp. So here it is. It's nice. You could put it anywhere. I mean, you cannot use it practically now, but it's good. So that's it in the video. I hope you guys like this video. Please make sure you hit like, subscribe and follow me on this channel. I'll be uploading more videos. Till then, goodbye. Peace.